certainly stands up out there. You wonder who his buddy is out there beside him. It's Jim Ellis. Today is Jim's 57th birthday, folks. 57 years old, he's still playing with toys.
Maybe I like it. I can crash that.
Okay. Let's it on. This thing is generated over 50 volts of electricity to power that main motor and tailgate. And Ron makes it look so easy. We also want to show off on the front line. Most people think that the mind was that to coordinate up and down and sideways, switch the explosive around or this kind of thing. We have challenged Ron to hold grass, you've heard it. Probably can't do it today, but we've seen Ron do it like 2 inches off the ground and put the grass for a longer spot so we're supposed to roll. Now we're going to talk Ryan to get a little bit lower here. A little lower, Ryan. A little lower. Cut that grass. Come on, Travis. Let's talk him down. Get a little over the ground. Make him earn it here. A little quiet noise. Come on, lower, Ryan. Lower, baby. Get that baby down and cut this grass. Come on, there you go. That's pretty low. Yeah, that's real low, baby. Okay, when you kick the dirt, I think that's pretty low. Even Spanky thinks that's pretty low. And after this, we're going to get Spanky in the controls, right? No, he won't do it. Okay. Like I say, this radio is operating as a Catawba radio. There's some radios on the market, Catawba, JR, Spectrum, for you modelers out there. But we operate Catawba, which are all operating on 2.4 gigahertz frequencies. They're all digital computer radios. Come a long way from 30 years ago. But if you like what you see, let Ryan hear you. Little flash flood. This is an incredible demonstration to see a win like this, folks. I can tell you, being a pilot myself, this is not easy. Here shortly we'll get him recovered here, and then we'll have our next match and turn it over to our airshow announcer. Spanky, the famous Spanky. Which is right ahead here.
Thank you very much. Bill, keep it going if you can. How long can he fly this helicopter before he loses what? Electricity?
He's got a battery life for about 6-7 minutes, but he likes to fly about 4 minutes.
About 4 minutes. Okay, one other question. Is there a wind limitation for this aircraft?
If you can stand up, you can fly helicopters, what he said. So he's flying, he likes actually stronger winds. Okay, folks, Ryan Wishing from Edmond, Oklahoma. Here we go, thank you, buddy.
Well done.